welcome back to my channel Enhancing Beauties. I'm Shaina Kohli and welcome back to my channel. I am back with a new makeup look, which is a full face makeup tutorial with these ultimate black smoky eyes using your favorite, everyone's favorite, every beginner's favorite, like the most affordable product available and the most famous product available, just Maybellines Nude Pallete. So I'm gonna do this makeup look. Let's not waste time, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and yeah, as usual. So yeah, let's move into the video. So I am starting off with this sponge moisturizer, and please ignore the mess of my hair. So yeah, I am using this as the moisturizer and as the primer too. I'm skipping on to the primer today because I don't have a new product to use as a primer. So yeah, and once you are done applying this, you have to keep it for 5 seconds so that the moisturizer gets absorbed into your skin, and then move on to the foundation. I am using the foundation which is irregular Pro HD foundation, and taking 2 to 3 pumps and using the damp beauty blender and applying it onto my face directly. This foundation was 2 shades lighter to my skin tone, but yeah, we gotta go with it and we gotta bronze our face, and it will be fine. Foundation generously on your ears and neck so that they don't be alienated from your face, because yeah, they are the part of your face, okay? And I have just noticed that my face looks so much chubby. It has become so much chubby, isn't it? So yeah, I'm using this NYX HD concealer and contour stick in the shade Universal, and I'm using the concealing stick from this and concealing and highlighting the visual areas, which is under eye, bridge of my nose and forehead, cupid's bow and chin, and under the contour, yeah, this way. I'm gonna blend it all using a small beauty blender which I bought from Pack. These are the best beauty blender I've ever seen, and they are so small that they are easily, like, you can see how I'm like easily able to blend the concealer from the corner of my eyes. Setting that all concealed and highlighted area using the Pack loose powder, translucent loose powder, and using a big fluffy brush, I'm gonna bake the under eyes this way, and we'll dust it off later. And using the residue left on the brush, I'm gonna set all other areas, but I'm not gonna bake them, I'm gonna just set them. Straight move to the eyes, and I'm gonna use this big fluffy brush from Pack. I'm gonna link the brush number in the description box below. I'm gonna use this Maybelline's Nude Palette for today's eye makeup. I'm gonna take this highlighting color, I'm gonna highlight my brow bones. Now taking this taupey brown color from the palette, I'm gonna use it as a transition color. All you have to do is take that color on the brush and start building the crease, the transition color of your crease. You have to go with the usual circular motions and buffing it out. You just have to extend that color outwards a little more to give a good transition of color and good smoky effect. The way I am buffing it outwards, this way. Yeah, you have to go circular motions inside and outside to buff out the edges properly. Taking this darkest brown color on the same brush, and we're gonna intensify our crease a little more. So here is an important point. You have to build this color below the previous one. Yes, so you have to find your natural crease and blend that color into that crease the way I am doing it. Open your eye a little bit, and the place where you have the depth of your eye, that is your natural crease, and you have to build it there. The best thing to get the good transition of color is to blend until and unless you are satisfied. Next, you have to take a gel liner, which can be Maybelline gel liner or the pack one. I'm using the pack one. So you have to take the gel liner on a flat application brush the way I am taking, and have to apply it generously on the lid area. Don't go overboard, don't come like near your crease, just onto the lid area. That's it. Once you are done packing that gel liner onto your lid area, taking this black color from the Maybelline's Nude Palette and taking it onto that flat application brush, you have to pack that Maybelline gel liner using this black eyeshadow, and this will actually intensify it and even like pack it so that the gel liner won't move anywhere. You are done with all that step, you have to take that fluffy brush again and taking that darkest brown color again, and you have to smudge all the harsh lines and buff it out using the circular motions as usual. It's been like more than 5 to 10 minutes that my under eye were baking up, and you have to just brush it off. Taking a flat fluffy brush, what you have to do is take that transition color, that taupey brown color, and the dark brown color. You have to smoke the lower waterline. Also, not waterline, actually the lash line, and you have to join it with that above smoked out color so that it looks all one. Next, I'm tightlining my lower waterline and upper waterline using the same gel liner so that there is no skin visible through that smoky eye look. And yeah, here using that same highlighting color from the palette, that first color, I am highlighting my inner corners of the eyes using my fingers. For a change, this time I'm not going to use any broke palette. I am going to use this Maybelline's Nude Palette only to do my brows, and this was something new and exciting for me to use an eyeshadow to do my brows. So I'm taking this brown color and black color and mixing them too, and like filling the gaps of my eyebrows and enhancing the arc of my eyebrow. And for the mascara, using this Lakme's voluminous lashes, something. I'll link it down below. And yeah, it makes my lashes quite a lot long and fuller, but there's a drawback. It's not at all waterproof. Very big drawback. I am contouring the usual areas using this NYX stick, concealing highlighting stick, and contouring the usual areas, the hollows of my cheeks and my jawline and my nose. So I really felt this is one of the best product that I have purchased. Like really. I have noticed that I have become a lot chubby. Yeah, I've just noticed in this video only my face is looking quite a lot chubby. Blending that all using that small beauty blender that I used for blending my concealer. I believe that contour is best like blended using the brush, so I am using a brush and blending it properly. Using my favorite PAC 03 highlighter to highlight my cheeks and project my nose, cupid's bow, chin, and that all other usual areas. I'm using my current favorite Makeup Revolution's Blushing Heart palette. I'm using both the pink color and blushing my cheeks. Smiling.
and blushing. Yeah. My favorite part, the game changer that changes the look altogether. So I am using this soft nude Lakme Absolute Cream lipstick, and this is a beautiful color, my most favorite color for summers, like the most favorite. A nude lipstick with the smoky eyes is something which goes all together and looks the best. So I am doing the same over here. Felt my neck was looking a lot alienated, so I took the foundation and applied it on my neck also, because yeah, foundation was quite a lot light. Now it's perfect. Yes. So yes, this was the look that I went for. Beautiful smoky eyes with nude lips and keeping the makeup quite a lot nude and soft. And I hope you like this makeup look, like this eye look, and if you love it, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.